Hi guys, so the question is best time to buy and sell stocks. It's the second part. We have done the first part. So what is telling you this time you can buy stocks multiple times or one time also. Depend how much you want to, matlab, the max profit you want to earn. So what the question is asking, you have given this array. This array indicates each date the prices of the stock. Like day 0 it's 7, day 1 it's 1, day 3 is 5, day 3 is 3, day 5 is 6, day 6 is 4. So what is the best way to make a profit throughout this stock? Okay, so what we will do, we buy a stock at day 1, sell it at day 3, we make a profit of 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then we again buy a stock at day 4 and sell it at day 5. You can see we make a profit of 3. So the total profit which we make is what? 7. Okay, that's how the logic is working of this code. So how we will do it, let me show you. Int hold is equal to prices at index 0. Int not hold is equal to 0. Okay, then a for loop for day 1 to day end day I is equal to 1. Why I is equal to 1? Because we have already taken the value at day 0. Okay, for holding, not holding, we didn't take anything. I is less than prices dot size. I increment by 1. Then in the preview not hold is equal to no hold, not hold is equal to, sorry, this. Then what I can say, not hold is equal to what? Max. Max we will take what I can say, not hold minus hold plus prices at index I, hold max hold previous not hold, sorry, not hold minus prices at index I, then return not hold. Okay, run this code. Okay, H is capital. There is some issue. Not hold, previous hold minus prices, hold. Not hold is also correct. Not hold is correct. Not hold. How am I missing something? Prices minus hold. Not hold. Okay, yeah. Privacy is minus. Okay, yeah. So the code you're working beats 62% of the people. So yeah, the code is fine. What's the logic for working with hybrid? Let me explain you. Like we'll write like something like this. Not hold is equal to max. Max is what? Not hold current value is 0. Comma hold plus prices. Hold is what? Our hold value is what? Hold is minus. Let go with a test case. This, okay. 3 test case in this. So at index day 0 the price is what? 3. Okay, so hold plus price. Hold is what? Minus 3 plus price at index 1 is what? 1. Okay, so it will be something like minus 3 plus what? 1. It will be what, guys? Max value will be 0. Same will do wait a minute, for hold. Okay, when we are holding a stock, max hold is what? hold is 0, sorry, hold is -3. Then previous nothing hold is 0, comma, sorry, minus, then prices at index I, 1, it will be what, -1 max. Okay, then we'll go with notHold. This time notHold is 0, comma, hold is what, -1 at index at day 3. What is the prices of the stock? At day 3 the price of the stock is 2, it will be what, 1. Okay, so the notHold value is is what, 1. Okay, then for hold it will be what, hold is -1 currently. Previous notHold is what, 1, minus prices at third day is what, obviously 2, so its value will be what, -1. Okay, same, let's go with max. Not hold. In notHold, max notHold is what, 1, comma, hold is what, hold is -1, plus at date 3 what's the stock price is 4, so we got notHold is what, 3. And when we go with hold, max hold is what, hold is -1, we know that, comma, previous notHold is what, 3, and prices minus prices is what, prices at day 4, this, it will be what, 1. Okay, so when we run this test case we get the value of we return notHold. Okay, so notHold is what, 3, as you can see. So that's how the code is working. This is the logic behind it. We get the max profit we can attain from this stock from 4 days. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, comment, please write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you.